don't think I've ever seen a house with that many windows before. Like, every room had like 4 to 5 windows. The tracks were all really dirty.
A little more oil in my lamp, keep it burning. Press along, sis, press along in God. We value our clients, we value our service. This is kind of sketchy in a way. And I got stung by a wasp. We are not the cheapest, definitely. We'll never be the cheapest. We respect your property, we respect your house. Yeah, all of that. Alright guys, I'm gonna set up my water fed pole. I'm gonna borrow the hose. See how far this can carry me. I got a nice garden hose right here. I'm gonna go borrow it. I'll see how far it can carry me. Hopefully it work nice, huh? I know, commoners. Make sure I put back their stuff when I'm done. I think that's good. I'm gonna put this right up here so for right now. Got my ladder. I'm gonna set it up. I'm gonna need it. Gotta use a channel lock to loosen up this bad boy. I don't know, let's see if it's gonna work this morning. Yeah, we're in Loganville today. We're doing inside and out on this property. Window cleaning inside and out tracks. They only got like 3 screens, which is good. They saw my yard sign and they give me a holla. Holla, holla, holla. It's a gloomy day today, guys. It's perfect. It's not too hot. So I'm gonna start with my water fed pole. I might have to go up on this roof. I'm gonna probably do some traditional on the high ones. Come out through the window and go on the roof. It's gonna work good for me. But I just gotta make the best of it. I saw a Facebook ad, a window cleaner, like an exterior cleaner. They said they don't use ladders no more. They just use the water fed pole. But I tell you what, still gotta use the ladder. Oh, I need to get that stabilizer. Guys, just scrubbing the frames as usual. And get them nice and clean before we hit the glass. It's gonna look pretty. I really love this water-fed pole, man. Water-fed pole is the best. I'm gonna get another one. What happened to my water? Water shut off, bro. Water shut off. A little more oil in my lamp. Keep it burning. Press along, saints. Press along in God's own way. Press along, saints. Press along in God's own way. Persecution we must face. Trial and crosses in our way. Oh, the attack, the battle, seated victory. Follow me up the ladder. Guys, whatever it takes to get it done, you have to make it happen. Oops, it's not long enough. It's not long enough. Yeah, that's perfect. Let me just turn this on. This guy is not that bad. Whatever it takes. Up there, for light. I want to give them a quote to clean their gutters. It's not all of them bad. These got stuff in it, but it's not as bad as the ones up front. There's no other way to do this, guy. We ain't standing on this zinc roof, metal roof. I sent out an estimate yesterday. And the response that I get back, the person said, my price is outrageously steep. But I just sent her back a really nice reply, kind of saying if she wants us to change the scope of the work. I didn't see this job just based off what she told me she have. And I asked her if she wanted me to change the scope of the work, and she said, no worries, she good. So I said, okay, wish you good luck with your house. I don't know what outrageously steep mean. Sometimes they're just trying to shop around to see where they're gonna get the cheapest price, but we are not the cheapest, definitely. We'll never be the cheapest, so we just work with the clients that appreciate and see the value in what we do and don't mind paying us for being not just cleaning windows, but showing up when we say we're gonna show up and do what we say we're gonna do. And this is kind of sketchy in a way. Gotta be careful on this ladder. We're learning. Each year we'll learn more and more, but we want clients that don't mind spending a little bit more. Yeah, I went to a job yesterday that we did the exterior, and they said they didn't want the screens or the tracks to be clean, and then all of a sudden they decided they want to do it. No problem, we show up. No one was there to let us. They told me to go in and do the job. Then I left. Somebody, like they got the neighbors that was watching though. But they trust us enough to let us in their house, even when no one is there. And that's what it's all about. The trust. Somebody that show up and respect your place. and don't just treat it however. And that's what we are. We respect your property, we respect your house. Yeah, all of that. Take our shoes off when we're coming in. Put back the stuff where we see them. Double check our work, make sure it looks good. But some people don't mind, they just think it's just cleaning windows. So they gotta pay just a small amount of money. We value our clients, we value our service. I love these windows. Yeah, Dimitri's on the inside helping me, and I'm out here doing the outside. It's typically how we usually do it on residential homes. Summer coming up. My other two boys gonna be out of school, so they're gonna be with me a lot on these residential jobs. It's a beautiful house. Guys, we are finished with the job. Window cleaning turned into window cleaning and gutter cleaning. A lot of windows. Which this was a big job, eh?
Yeah, I don't think I've ever seen a house with that many windows before. Like, every room had like 4 to 5 windows. The tracks were all really dirty. And they all had like these blinds over them that I had to open and close.
Plantation shutters. I think so they call them.
I have no idea.
I think that's what they call them.
But yeah, it was a lot today.
And I got stung by a wasp right underneath here, so and leave a mark, you know, left a mark. But the clients, they're happy. They want us to come back next year. They know for sure they want to do the outside annually, and they want to get the house pressure washed when we come back the next time. When I did the estimate, I had only asked if they would want to get gutter cleaning because I saw that the gutters, I could tell that the gutters need clean just from standing while I was walking the property. And I didn't have my tall enough ladder to go up there, so they said when I come back, just look at it and give them a price. And I went up there and I took some photos and I showed them, and I told the guy the price. He said, oh, when my wife come back, we'll see what we'll do. So when I was doing the basement window, she came in the back and was like, oh, I see that you do pressure washing.
Right.
And she said, how much more would it cost to pressure wash and do the gutters? But I subbed my pressure washing work out. I got a buddy that he do all my pressure washing for me. And so I tell him I'll get a price over to them. And then she was like, oh, that's the best you can do on your gutter cleaning? I'm like, we could take a little, so I take $50 off. Normally you want to put it a little bit higher. So they always want to negotiate. That's a rule of thumb. They're always going to come try to negotiate. It turned out good except for the wasp bite me. They gave us some free eggs. I guess they raise chicken. I don't eat eggs, but I wanted to buy some. My wife and one of my sons, they eat eggs. And they gave us some free eggs. So I said, how much? Before they say it was free, I said, how much they're charging me for it? She was like, nothing. But just remember that next time when you come, maybe if we give her a discount. What's the biggest residential job you guys have done and how long it take you guys to do it. We got at this property at 8:10. The two of us took a half an hour lunch and we finished at 7 o'clock. That's close to 12 hours on the job. It's a lot of windows.
And there's furniture too. There was
Yeah,
furniture
that's
around
it.
almost
That's the
windows,
killer.
too.
Yeah, the
So,
furniture.
I had to move and put back like almost every window that I cleaned. I had to move something and then have to put it back. But I mean, it's done now. So.
Yeah, they got a lot of furnitures. But I might be getting some electrical work
Past Shannon Road Southeast.
because
turn right
they
on Road.
inquired. They got a basement that's unfinished.
Right on
They got
Rock
some receptacles laid out down there, but I don't think they laid out to code. And they asked me, because on my vehicle I got lighting services on my vehicle because I do lights. Lights is easy to do. You can do way more than that as an electrician, but lighting is easier to do. I can teach Dimitri how to do lights. Yeah, we get a lot of those jobs. He can hang lights easily. So they asked me how much would it cost to rough out the basement, so I give them a price roughly. I said I don't know what it's gonna cost, that's just a rough estimate. And they said okay. Something we're probably gonna have to talk to you about in the future. It's cool, so I might get some electrical work from them. Let's see. So Dimitri, what you learned from this job? Any takeaways from the job?
Probably just like being very intentional with like how frequently you're washing your mop, and then just like being very strategic with how you're gonna like clean your windows or do the job, because like structuring it out, being like, okay, I'm gonna do this and I gotta move this furniture, like just being able to break down a job better, I think will be able to help me to like complete the job faster.
Yeah, they gotta move. We're gonna have to start tell them to move the furnitures away from the windows. I do it sometime, but I gotta be more consistent. And that's what my takeaway. I wasn't on the inside a lot, but I walked inside of the house because I had to move the stuff in the sunroom to take off the screens.
There's windows. There was windows in front of almost every window.
There was furniture in front of
almost every window.
Right. Yeah, Logan will look like me have to go canvas up here, man. Logan will look nice. Money. Can make some money up here. I'm gonna have to start put that in my estimates. As a note, if anything I block the windows, then please move them. Give us clear access. Because that take time to move stuff and put it back. Alrighty guys, thanks for watching. Like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment. Tell me what you guys like about the video. Takeaways from the job that we share. See you in the next one. Peace.